Okay, welcome back. Sorry about that. Just trying to prevent any disturbance. Okay, again, continue Unit 305, Session 21. Okay, special locations. Okay, make sure we can get this into play. Okay, special locations. Okay. Okay, come back. Okay. Now I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this because you would have covered quite a number of these already, and you should now be quite familiar with some of the locations that are special. But to make sure, you must comply with the IEE regulations at your specification and the edition that is relative to your period of time. Okay. Again, use your on-site guide that provides you with the exact location and the relevant information that you need in a handy, simple format to understand. Okay. And here's what you're looking at. Now again, make sure that the 701 regulation is still applicable. I believe it is. Okay. For the 18th edition from my period of time. For your period of time, you must make sure that it is concurrent and you'll be looking for section 701 or somewhere there, or it's relevant in regards to the bathroom environment. Okay. And here you can see your relevant zones. Zones 1, zones 2. Okay. Okay, and it tells you the boundaries where your sockets are permitted. But obviously, I go by the rule that sockets should not be in a bathroom anyway, apart from your shaving unit, basically, or anywhere near a bathroom. Okay. And again, it's just simply laying out your bathroom for you, letting you know where your relevant zones are and your distance of operation in regards to that. Now make sure you check that you are complying with the relevant regulations and it is at that point in time in regards to the 18th edition and onwards. Okay? Because in due course these distances could change. Look for any amendments that might be applicable as well. It is your job to make sure that you are compliant with the IE regs. You cannot say, well, I read it, I heard it on this video and look at this guy says so and so. You must check. You have a legal responsibility to do that. Okay. Okay. Don't need to tell you here anything about this because you can see that it's just telling you your location of your shower cubicle, where it should be, your distances, and in regards to how far certain items should be apart from each other. That is a matter of course, okay? And it is for you to check that you have been compliant with the regulations and standards. And this is just telling you the operation time in regards to RCDs that forms the isolation mechanism for the protection of items in the bathroom. Okay. Now I'm going to move in a bit closer here so that you can get the reading of the fine print. Okay. Let's just pan out and make sure we can get it in full screen. Okay. That's looking good. Okay. And here are your regulations and your criteria for your swimming pools. Okay. Regulation group, etc. The protective measures available for use in each of the zones. There is an increased use of RCDs as well as requirement for supplementary equipotential bonding to be installed connecting together any extraneous conductive parts in zones 0, 1 and 2 to expose conductive parts of equipment situated in those zones. In short terms, you must have good effective bonding in regards to equipotential bonding, so that when someone holds a handle going into the swimming pool, that they're not electrocuted. Okay. Switch color cup until we get it back into view. Okay, which is the full view. Okay. Okay, and then that will be it. Okay. And here there's a preference for cables to be installed in PVC conduits rather than metallic conduits. Okay, in regards to installation in regards to swimming pools. and it is quite clear that you need to comply with the regulations, okay? And that is for you to ensure that you read and comply with it, okay? Also consider any changes or amendments which have been brought into play in respect of each edition of the IE regulations. Okay, let's just give you a clear picture of that if we can. Better close up on that. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, again, good for you to consider and remark on any changes or difference that you need to comply with. If you're in doubt, check your on-site guide, use that as your guide at all times. Then you confirm it with the IE regs at all stages in time. Make sure you're always compliant with the regulations. And here we're looking at construction and demolition site installations, okay? Let's just make sure we can get this into view. Okay. Well, let's go a bit. Let's just make sure we can get it fully in. Okay, to be in frame. Okay, yes, I believe that is it. Okay, good. Good. And again, you need to refer to the updated versions of this information. That is vital for you to understand. So I'm not going to say anything much on this because this BS 7375 may have changed, okay? Because you can see here that this was since 1996. So therefore, I know that some of these tend to last for years and years, but make sure you can confirm and check to see if there's any changes or any amendments to this work. It is your job to make sure that you have done that. Okay. So look up, make sure we get it into frame. Okay. And back. Okay, good. Thank you. Now, I hope you found this useful. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.